Well, the fish are semi-normal, should I say, today. All swimming around. I had one big fish that I've just taken out and done a scrape on it, which is the one down that corner there. Let's see where we can zoom in there on it. There we go. That was lying in the corner, so I took that out with the net and did a scrape on it. All the way down the side of its body and underneath. And not found a single thing on it. Nothing on it whatsoever. So whatever it is, I can only put it down to the weather, because the fish seem healthy. Like I say, I've done scrapes on all of them over the past 3 days and found nothing on any of them at all. So I'm puzzled. Water quality is spot on. The fish are still not eating. Still not eating, and I don't know why. I've tried 6 different types of food in there, and they won't touch either. I checked the temperature today. It was 6.4 last night. It was a very cold night indeed. And it's now just on 14.2. So it's starting to warm up. I'm running the skimmer just to take anything off the top of the water, and what I'll do, I'll test the skimmer afterwards to see whether there's any bugs in that, any parasites, anything in there. But like I say, it's got me confused. Got me 100% confused. There's enough air going into the pond. The water's being turned over quickly. The pond test shows me that the nitrate, ammonia and pH are all spot on. So there's nothing wrong with the water. Yet the fish still won't eat. 2 of them are now going back into that corner. And I've lost 3 fish up to now, and the little one's gone missing. I don't know where that one's disappeared to, because it's not in the pond. I can't find it anywhere. So that's another puzzling thing. Where has the little fish gone? Well, that's all for today. Please subscribe. I could do with some subscribers. Thanks very much.